360, and this week we're going to cover the case Unichema.
I'm Britton Ryan.
I'm Patrick Laughlin.
Kristen Potter.
And I'm Matt Randall.
And we're Team 4.
The case we're discussing this week is Unichema, a subsidiary of Unilever in the specialty chemical market in the oleochemical industry. They have 9 sites located worldwide, spread out over 4 continents. Their main site is in Gouda, Netherlands, and they produce over 500,000 tons of chemicals yearly to meet the demand of their customers worldwide.
There are 3 complications facing Unichema. The first is future financial problems. The second is the European oleochemical industry has been greatly affected by globalization, as well as legislation and with regards to product liability, environmental issues, and high operating fixed cost levels resulting in the overall decline of industry profitability. The last is that there is also significant pressure from overcapacity and imports from low-priced materials from Southeast Asian producers.
One of the questions we have for Unichema is, how do you restructure the company to reach the Unichema corporate objectives? The second question is, how does Unichema determine manufacturing needs and capabilities to maintain satisfactory service levels for their most valued customers?
What our team put together this week was a recommended approach that consists of 5 steps. First off, we should start by defining the customer service management process. This is by taking the sales force and retraining them to act as direct contacts to the customers. The second part of the approach is to create a criteria for segmenting customers. In this case, there's currently the 20% of the customers account for 80% of the sales, and 40% of their customers account for 95% of their sales. These numbers indicate that not all customers are created equal. Unichema should evaluate and place customers with different customer service agreements. Unichema needs to further the development partnerships that are valued customers. This includes information sharing, such as annual forecasts. The third stage is differentiation of products. Unichema has 61 major products, with 16 products accounting for 80% of the sales. With 9 production facilities in 4 continents, Unichema can strategically forego tariff costs and additional transportation costs by creating more efficient supply chain management. Unichema, in response to their hopes for implementing JIT, or just-in-time practices, to help alleviate inventory costs, this as well ties back into the geographical production to fill orders. The fourth step is to develop a framework of metrics. In supply chain, creating usable metrics can be very challenging. One of the first indicators in this case will be the use of technology. Now that the technology spots the inefficiencies, Unichema can create pinpoints and track differences, all the while addressing the discrepancies. In order to maintain customer service levels, Unichema can produce surveys and track fill rates to use as metrics. The final stage is to develop guidelines for sharing process improvements benefits with the customers. In this case, we saw that Unichema manufactured a product with a specific color for a water treatment plant. As it turns out, the color of the production did not matter to the customer. Understanding their customer needs is paramount for Unichema to achieve greater efficiency. If each customer has a customer service manager, they can communicate the use of the production and pass the savings on to the customer.
If Unichema were to change one thing today, they need to tailor their production capabilities to better accommodate their most valued customers.
Thank you for watching Logistics 360, and we'll see you next week.